what kind of conditions used to prevail before last year, it was Prime Minister Modi who abrogated the Article 370 and 35A, and Kashmir has benefited out of this. People of Jammu and Kashmir has benefited out of this. And I'm sure students from Jammu and Kashmir who are studying in Symbiosis can vouch for this. And let me say this, Jammu Kashmir is ready to give competition to other states now. They are going to emerge as one of the fast growing states in the coming months, years. And I look forward for Symbiosis to have their own centers in the state of Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh. I wish in my uh, time when I was studying in one of the colleges in Punjab, I had an opportunity to study in a premier institution like Symbiosis. Unfortunately, I could not because I was too much into cricket. But nevertheless, I had an opportunity to address the students of this premium institute. Thank you once again. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.